This is a quick introduction to how to make sure that you upload your Writing Across the Curriculum signature assignment in all of its drafts and reflection correctly. When you're in Brightspace, go to Tools, click on ePortfolio, and as you are there, you will add files. When you are in this location, you can add as many files as you have used to create your Writing Across the Curriculum assignments. Often, this means that you will have several different drafts that you need to upload. Simply click on all of them, including the reflection, and upload them here. You will see them added. If you want, add a WAC Signature Assignment note to your ePortfolio, and you are all done. Feel free to reach out to your professor or to me, Kate Dugan, kdugan@springfield.edu with further questions.